Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a closer look at Plum Guide, found at www.plumguide.com. Plum Guide positions itself as a curated collection of the world's best vacation rentals. They claim to have a rigorous selection process, accepting only the top 3% of homes in each destination. This meticulous curation promises a high standard of quality, ensuring a luxurious and hassle-free experience for travelers. They aim to take the guesswork out of booking a vacation rental by offering a carefully vetted selection of properties. From stylish apartments in bustling city centers to secluded villas nestled in breathtaking landscapes, Plum Guide aims to cater to a variety of tastes and travel styles. They highlight their commitment to quality control, emphasizing the in-person inspections and meticulous reviews conducted by their home critics. This detailed process supposedly ensures that each property meets their stringent standards, covering everything from design and comfort to amenities and location. For travelers seeking exceptional accommodations and a premium experience, Plum Guide presents itself as a compelling alternative to traditional booking platforms. They promote the idea of discovering unique and unforgettable stays, curated for discerning travelers who appreciate the finer things in life. With their focus on high-quality rentals and a seamless booking experience, Plum Guide aims to redefine the vacation rental landscape. They offer peace of mind, knowing that every property on their platform has been thoroughly vetted and approved. This selective approach distinguishes them from other platforms with vast inventories, where quality can be inconsistent. Essentially, Plum Guide strives to provide a more curated and reliable experience for travelers seeking exceptional accommodations. So, if you're looking for a truly special vacation rental, Plum Guide might be worth exploring. Check out their website at www.plumguide.com to browse their collection and start planning your next getaway.